Hello, I'm James McDaniel. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making garlic bread with Alex Woodworth.
Hey everyone! Thanks for having me.
Well, you can get anything with money.
That's true.
So, garlic bread is a delicacy in Olive Garden. The first step is to butter some bread. Spread the butter on it delicately, just like painting a romantic era oil painting. This is really an art.
What do you know about art?
Not much, but I know a guy.
Welcome to the Secret Circle.
Hey yo, did you know next Monday is Celebration of the Arts? I made this to honor it. It took me 2 days. Call it Paper People.
I drew this. I call it Little Girl with a Balloon on a Sunny Day. Or Balloon Child.
I made one too.
Yeah, check this one out.
Wow, how'd you do that?
It's alright, I guess.
Oh, you thought I made this? No, Olivia did. And it'll be on display at the Celebration of the Arts on Monday.
How much does it cost?
Tickets are $5 each, and you get a free truffle and cider when you come in. You can buy them there, or you can buy them from some music students who were selling them before.
What do you even do there?
Yeah, you can drop in from 5 to 9, listen to the music live from the students, look at the art, let the art speak to you, change your mind, change your perception. Also, all the proceeds go to the art and music department.
Sounds pretty cool. Maybe someone will want to buy this. Probably worth a couple hundred. See you there.
Do you think I'll be able to display my still life at the art show?
No, sorry. They only accept good art. Next, mince some garlic.
And you'll want to dice up 1/4 of a cup of onion. But be sure to be very careful when you're cutting the onion because you want to preserve the tears that you've been saving for the 8 tests and quizzes that are coming up this week.
Next step is to put it all in the oven at 375 and cook it.
Actually, you roast it.
But that's wrong and it will ruin it.
Oh, not if you know the right people to roast it.
You know, the two of you wouldn't be in here so much if you just stopped acting like a couple of freshmen.
At times you window while zoning in on owning students, Starbucks makeup and mock-up.
Ice black and white, non-fat, no wit. Taking straight coffee shots, formulating up plots to interest the untaught.
It's no shock, you got caught trying to formulate how to not get stopped.
Principal got all kind of undercovers coming at you. Perhaps they won't be happy till they snatch you. Put you in a place where no students can be distracted. Sitting in class but never meet. See my phone's never connected to me. So much just to visualize, it's like a Dutch rush. Head rush, hope this is vivid enough for some being hushed.
Birch. Oh. So, your talent is cooking?
No.
Oh, your talent's hosting the Panthercast.
No.
Then what is it? All done.
Thank you for watching James' Kitchen.
This program was brought to you by